Intricate intricate.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last lesson, we broke down exactly what cloud computing is. Today we are diving into the next step of our AWS tutorial. The 6 core benefits of the AWS cloud. Understanding these advantages isn't just about passing test. It's the exact foundation that explains why millions of businesses from tiny startups to massive enterprises are migrating to AWS. If you want to master how to build efficient, smart, and cost-effective tech solutions, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's jump right in. Amazon explicitly defines 6 main advantages of cloud computing. Let's break down exactly what they mean for you and your projects. First up, trading capital expense for variable expense. In the traditional IT world, you had to invest heavily in physical data centers and servers before you even knew how your users would behave. With AWS, you stop paying massive upfront costs. Instead, you pay variable expenses, meaning you only pay when you consume computing resources and only for how much you use. Benefit number 2 is massive economies of scale. Because AWS aggregates the computing usage of hundreds of thousands of customers, they can purchase hardware and manage infrastructure at a scale that is impossible for a single company. They pass those savings directly down to you, giving you a much lower variable cost than you could ever get on your own. Third, stop guessing capacity. This trips up so many traditional businesses. If you guess your infrastructure needs before launching an app, you usually end up with one of two disasters. You either buy way too much and sit on expensive, idle hardware, or you buy too little. Your servers crash during a traffic spike, and you lose customers. AWS completely eliminates the guessing game. You scale up or down automatically based on real-time traffic. Fourth is an absolute game changer for developers: increase speed and agility. In a traditional setup, if your team needs a new server to test a feature, you might wait weeks for procurement to buy it and an IT team to physically rack and stack it. In the AWS cloud, new IT resources are literally a single click away. You reduce that waiting time from weeks to just a few minutes, allowing your team to experiment and innovate incredibly fast. Number 5. Stop spending money running and maintaining data centers. Let's be honest, stacking servers, managing heavy cooling systems, paying massive electricity bills, and hiring 24/7 security guards for a physical building doesn't make your business unique or better. AWS handles all that heavy infrastructure lifting for you, so you can focus 100% of your energy and money on building software that actually differentiates your business and serves your customers. And finally, number 6, go global in minutes. Thanks to AWS's massive global footprint, you can deploy your application in multiple locations around the world with just a few clicks. This means your international users experience incredibly low latency and blazing fast loading speeds, no matter where they are logging in from. To quickly summarize, AWS lets you swap heavy upfront bills for a flexible subscription, slashes costs through scale, removes the guesswork of capacity, accelerates your development, clears out the headache of physical maintenance, and puts your business on a global stage instantly. Which of these 6 benefits do you think is the biggest game changer for a developer? Drop a comment down below and let me know. If this breakdown made sense to you, please give this video a big like and share it with a fellow coder. Thanks for watching. Keep pushing your boundaries, and I'll see you in the next lesson, where we explore how AWS sets up its physical global infrastructure. Happy coding!